Healthcare today is not only about technology, advancement, or medical innovation, it is equally about compassion, empathy, and a deeper understanding of the human condition. In such a time, homeopathy stands as a gentle yet powerful reminder that healing is not merely about suppressing disease, it is about restoring balance, physical, emotional, and mental. Every patient is viewed as unique with their own constitution, environment, and life circumstances. In areas such as cancer care, where patients often undergo physical and emotionally demanding treatments, supportive therapies can play a meaningful role. Homeopathy is increasingly being explored as a supportive approach to many to, that may help patients cope with the challenges of treatment. Scientific discussions, such as the ones planned today on the role of homeopathy and oncology and cardiology, contribute to expanding the understanding and exploring new possibilities for patient care.